My SEVA project is teaching kids how to study for their finals. What happens in the videos is I run down what different study methods you can do, what you should be doing, like sleeping and eating healthy and all these other things. I produced it, I edited it, and for the most part, I was the cameraman. My favorite part, it was the library scene because the shots that we got in there were really cool and I was really happy with how that turned out. It was kind of based off an idea that won last year, how to be a good student, and I wanted to do something like it, but a little more serious and about something else. So how to study for finals, and because a lot of people have trouble studying, they don't know what really works for them yet, and there's lots of different ways you can study for it. You just need to figure out what's best for you and what helps you most. I do think video is a powerful tool because it can really dictate what happens, because a lot of people just text or post on websites what their message is or whatever, but if you make a video about it, more people are probably going to want to watch it instead of reading about it. It's been a good experience. It's been a lot of fun to do, and I hope to do it next year as well.
We all know high school can be really fun, but it can also be very stressful, especially during finals week. Well, no need to stress, because I'm going to tell you how to study correctly for finals week so you can have the best chances at passing. Just get started. Don't wait until you feel like studying. If you always start ahead of schedule, you will never be cramming the night before an exam. You'll almost always perform better in doing so. Study in a distraction-reduced environment. Turn off your cell phone. Although social media can be an excellent source for staying in touch with friends, they can also be a huge distraction that wastes valuable time in your day. If you're busy checking your Snapchat, Twitter, or Instagram account, you will not be giving your undivided attention to the study materials before you and will not retain the information. Therefore, make sure that you lock your phone away in a safe place where you will not be tempted to check it, and refrain from checking it until you have finished your study sessions. Develop summary sheets for each class. If you are studying for exams using multiple sources of information in a disorganized and scatterbrained fashion, you are wasting valuable time. Take everything you need to learn from your textbooks, handouts, class notes, review sheets, and so on, and compile it into a single, easy-to-study resource. You must make sure that you go through all the material you need to learn and make proper summary notes of it. Form a study group. Study groups provide an excellent means for students to compare class notes. Joining or forming a study group is a great way to give and receive motivation and support from fellow students and group members. Working in groups makes it possible to focus on more concepts since multiple people can review more material than just one. Read it, write it, say it. Go through your notes and pull out the key points by reading them, rewriting them, then saying them out loud. The act of writing information down consolidates it in your memory in a way that you can't achieve by only reading. This method really helps some students commit facts to memory. Link new information to things you already know. Forming these associations will help you retrieve information later. This is a powerful trick. It is really useful for vocab memorization. For example, you learned bracelet in Spanish as la pulsera. Draw a connection between them. A bracelet goes around your wrist, where you also check your pulse. Review your notes daily. In order to have a better chance of memorizing your notes, you will have to review them every day. Predict possible questions. Draft potential exam questions and quiz yourself so that you can set expectations of what you need to focus on. Quiz yourself. Cover up your notes and try to explain them. Stay well rested and make sure you eat. Despite popular belief, huddling over a book at all hours of the day and night will not guarantee that you achieve straight A's during finals week. Rather than pulling all-nighters, get plenty of sleep throughout final exams week to aid in memorizing the information you studied earlier. In order to maximize your studying potential, you need to make sure that your body is receiving the nutrients it needs to perform well. Feed your brain with well-balanced meals to avoid feeling sluggish. Furthermore, schedule in plenty of time to exercise because working out will release endorphins through your body that can boost self-confidence and combat anxiety. Now, what are you waiting for? Go study!